In this video, you will update your NVIDIA graphics drivers, as well as perform the setup for optimal use with Maptek products. To determine the age of your drivers, you can look up your device manager in the Windows search bar. Expand the display adapters and select your graphics card from the list. Out-of-date graphics cards can cause some inconsistencies with visual data when using Maptek products. To update your drivers, you can go to the NVIDIA webpage at nvidia.com or by searching NVIDIA drivers in the web browser of your choosing. Select your device from the list of products. Make sure that the name matches closely to the one you see in the device manager. Once you have selected your driver, download it and install it on your machine. Once your driver is installed, you can open the NVIDIA control panel by right-clicking the Windows background of your computer. If you are in Windows 11, you may need to select Show More Options in order to see the NVIDIA control panel. On the Global Settings tab, select 3D App Game Development in the Global Presets dropdown. Ensure that your preferred graphics processor is the high-performance NVIDIA processor. In the Program Settings tab, you can select the Maptek installation folder as a program to customize. To do so, click the Add button and navigate to the folder shown here. Once your settings have been updated, click Apply. Now your graphics card and graphics driver are up to date and ready to go with Maptek products.